How many times do I have to tell you I'm sorry?
You barely ever say you're sorry. Every time I get upset, you reluctantly step up to tell me how sorry you are. You seem to think that saying it one time will fix everything that happened and make it all okay again. It's not okay.
I told you that I would say it to you every single day if that were what it took to earn back your trust.
Yes, you say that and then do nothing. Saying you will do something and not doing it only compounds my frustration and adds to my pain.
But I've said I'm sorry more than once. Why isn't that enough?
Because saying you're sorry doesn't erase what you did. It just makes you feel better.
Don't you trust me?
No, I don't trust you anymore. How can I? You made several decisions without considering how they affected me, with no regard for my feelings or well being.
I didn't mean to hurt you.
Oh, please. How can you honestly even say those words?
I've said I'm sorry. What else can I say?
None of it makes sense to me. It's a nightmare I cannot escape. I'm disoriented. It feels like my head might explode.
Well, Bruce helped me understand how I had violated our vows and how much pain I was probably causing you. I've said I'm sorry. What else can I say? Let's just start over.
If it were only that easy.
It can be. Why can't we put this in the past and move on from here?
When I dig deep down and listen to the small whispers that bubble up from my core, I realize I cannot put it in the past. It is here in front of me every single day.
So, you are willing to throw away 8 years of our lives together over one mistake?
You decided to steal from me and disappear without a trace. A deep aching throb that seeps into every thought.
I keep telling you how sorry I am for this one error in judgment. Why is that not good enough? If you love me, you will look past this and allow us to move on together.
To protect myself from getting hurt, it is time for me to take the resigns and stop letting fear and confusion. The path forward may not be crystal clear yet, but I'm confident I have what it takes to figure it out.